Best door stopper security in 2023. When it comes to securing your home or office, having the best door stopper security is crucial. A door stopper security not only prevents the door from opening but also provides an extra layer of protection against burglars and intruders. You need a security doorstop whether you live in a terrible neighborhood or are security aware. These security doorstops are simple to install and made with a sound concept to guard you from opportunistic burglars. Rest easy knowing you took extra precautions to keep your family and yourself safe and secure. In this video, we have reviewed the top 4 door stopper security products available on Amazon and discussed their features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. So, let's jump into the list. Wedge-It, the ultimate doorstop. Wedge-It is a versatile door stopper security that works on almost any surface. It is made of durable plastic and has a non-slip base that provides excellent grip on smooth floors. The Wedge-It can be easily adjusted to fit different door heights and is suitable for both residential and commercial use. Non-slip base with amazing adjustable height comes with this product. Durable plastic construction, which also works on most door surfaces. Another advantage of this product, it's a lightweight and portable doorstop. You can easily use and install on your door. Price is also affordable. This product can be used on different types of doors. It has a disadvantage that it may not work well on carpets or uneven surfaces. Also, it may not be strong enough to withstand heavy force. 3. Masterlock 265D Door Security Bar. The Masterlock 265D Door Security Bar is a heavy-duty door stopper security that can withstand up to 370 pounds of force. It is made of sturdy steel and has a pivoting ball joint that ensures full contact with the floor. The Masterlock 265D can be easily adjusted to fit most standard doors and can be removed quickly in case of emergency. Remember, this doorstop has heavy-duty steel construction, which is hard to break, and provides strong resistance against forced entry. It also has a pivoting ball joint with adjustable length. You can use this on different types of floors. For your information, on uneven floors this door stopper security may not work well. Also, it may require some force to install and remove. 2. Saber HS-DSB Door Security Bar. The Saber HS-DSB Door Security Bar is another heavy-duty door stopper security that can withstand up to 350 pounds of force. It is made of durable steel and has a non-marring top yoke that protects the door from damage. The Saber HS-DSB can be easily adjusted to fit most standard doors and is suitable for both residential and commercial use. It has adjustable length using its release buttons and propping it under the door knob or door handle. It protects the door from damage. Also, a non-slip base ensures the door jammer fully contacts the floor to provide a secure fit, which provides strong resistance against forced entry. As previous door stopper, this product also has the disadvantage that it may not work well on uneven floors. It may require some force to install and remove. 1. Adalock Portable Door Lock. The Adalock Portable Door Lock is a compact and portable door stopper security. It is made of high-quality metal and can be used on most types of doors. The Adalock is ideal for travel, hotel rooms, and rental properties, providing an extra layer of security and privacy. Compact and portable design gives this product a gorgeous look. Suitable for most types of doors. For ensuring more security, this product is made of high-quality metal. Also, no tools required to adjust and install. But this product may not be strong enough to withstand heavy force. You may require some practice to use this product effectively.